Hi guys, so it's HTML5 time. Remember last time when I was doing the introduction, I told you the 5 courses that you will need to know to design a website in 2019 or whatever time. It's HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, PHP, and MySQL. So today it's HTML5 time. So I'm going to take you through the introduction and a bit of some coding, and let's just get into it, guys. And do not be discouraged because this thing is very easy. So what you want to do is for this tutorial series, we are going to use a tool called JS Fiddle. JS Fiddle will give us the windows for our code and our CSS and our JavaScript and the result of that, and it's very easy to use. For you to be able to also design a website on your machine without internet, you can use a text editor like Notepad or any other text editor. There are others like Sublime Text and the rest. So for this tutorial, we are going to use JS Fiddle. And when you write what we are writing here on a text, on any text editor, it will work the same, guys. You can use Notepad, you can use Notepad++, you can use Sublime Text, you can use whatever text editor you want. A text editor is simply a place where you can write your code and save it for you to view it on a web browser. Yeah, for example, if we would write a text like a paragraph, we will use a text editor. You can open a text editor, let's say Notepad, and then be able to write the same things we are writing on JS Fiddle, and I'll show you how you can view that on your browser. So let's just get right onto it, guys. So if you're going to use JS Fiddle like me, which is very easy and very easy for learning because you'll be able to see the results right away. So this is how you're going to do it. Just go to your browser and type JS Fiddle. So when you type JS Fiddle, go directly to your to Google and you click on create a new JS Fiddle or a fiddle, and you will see that cloud jumping right there, and it'll just open up right away. So you want to close that, and as you can see, we have HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and the result. What a very easy way of starting how to program. And just imagine with that, you are already writing code. How awesome is that? Anyway, if you are a beginner, this will make you geeky, but if you are intermediate, you will continue to know more and more. So HTML, guys, as I told you earlier, just handles the text of your site. Okay, just handles the text of your site. So I'll run you through the JS Fiddle. Remember, once you're done writing your code here, let's say HTML, you just want to click run over there, and you'll be able to see the result over here. So let's just get right onto it, guys. I hope you are following up with me. So HTML just handles text. So any text or any document you write has a header, heading, paragraph or article or sentences, and then the footer. So the same way, guys, it works with HTML. So HTML, first of all, organizes itself in tags so that a browser can actually be able to interpret HTML text. Then you will need to use tags, and tags, guys, are just these things here. Okay, so those are tags. So this is the opening tag, and this is the closing tag. Okay, So the opening tags introduces the element, and then the closing tag closes the element, just like that, guys. It's as easy as that. So let's say, for example, you want to write a paragraph, okay? Then the element for writing a paragraph is P, okay? So you want to put that P in the tags, the opening and the closing tags. And JS Fiddle, guys, will just use IntelliSense and it will fill that in for you. So you'll just see opening and the closing tags right there. So opening the paragraph, closing the paragraph. So let's write something here. Let's write something here. Yeah, let's write something here. So we've written something right there. So you will see this appearing on the result when you click run. So let's see. Oh wow, so this is what will happen. So you see it appearing without the element, the closing and opening tags. So what you're telling the browser is, browser, you know, this is a paragraph, treat it as a paragraph, and this is what will appear. So let's see other elements that you can use. So if you want to write a paragraph, you want to put your paragraph in the P elements, okay, and opening and closing elements. So the structure of HTML is just like a document. So you will have the head, okay, head. You will have the body, and then you will have footer. Okay, simple as that, guys. How simple can it get? So inside the head, you'll have all the information you want to see in the head, and then inside the body, you want to put all the information you want in the body of your document, and then inside the footer, you want to put all the documents or all the paragraphs and the articles you want to see in a footer. So when you look at a page, let's say for example our page here, chrome.com, I'll show you all these elements of a document in HTML. So this is our page right here, and it has all these elements that we are talking about. So on top here, from this place here where I'm actually hovering the mouse, this is the body, okay? From the top here is the body. Somehow, guys, the title or the head for HTML begins from top here, okay? It begins from top here. So from here, from the logo all the way to down here, where now this light gray ends, is the body, and then all this is the footer. This is the footer. So that is what you wanna know about HTML. So whatever you put in the head section will appear right up here, okay? Right, it will appear right up here, and whatever you put in the footer will now be designed to appear down here in the footer section. So guys, that is it, and everything else is the body of your site. So let's so that is just it, and let me just remove the paragraph right there. So in our next tutorial, we are gonna now fill into this tags and see how much we can write in these tags and how much we can do, and introduce you into HTML attributes and such things. So this is just the basics of HTML. Once you know how that document is structured, then you can easily put in your paragraph, your headings, your titles, your footer, your contact us forms and everything else. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I am looking forward to seeing you again in our next video. And remember to subscribe on my channel so that you get notifications once we put this up. Yeah, just hit the notification button, subscribe and hit the notification button so that you can follow with us. If you have any questions, if you have any comments, just don't forget to ask down below. Appreciate us, and of course share the video with others so that they can also learn and equip themselves with these technical skills that are must know for everyone living in our age. And cheers guys, and see you next time.